The engine light is on. Is this the MAF sensor failure? Today we will use Compass to diagnose, clean DTC, and shows the pre-scan and post-scan results. After inserting the VCI, the indicator light will start flashing. Once it stops flashing, it means the device is successfully connected to the tablet via Wi-Fi. Tap Auto Scan and confirm the vehicle information. Then select Pre-Post Scan to perform the topology scan. The system shows a fault in the DME module, air mass flow sensor signal, electrical fault. Save the pre-scan report first, then try clearing the fault code. After rescanning, the fault remains. Proceed with vehicle repair. We removed the air mass flow sensor and used a dedicated cleaner to remove dust and carbon buildup. After cleaning, reinstall the air mass flow sensor back in place. Then, we cleared the fault codes using the Compass device and exported the post-scan report. Compared with the pre-scan report, all previous fault codes have been successfully cleared. Compass not only diagnoses problem, it confirms the fix too. For more real repair walkthroughs, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!